Hi, in this video, going to explain about Karnak map introduction. Generally, two types of minimization techniques are there. Karnak map, in short form, we are calling as K map. Another one is tabulation method, that is Queen-McCluskey method. The need for this minimization technique is in generally we are using Boolean rules to simplify the logical expressions. But this Boolean algebra and rules are easy for simple expressions. But when the expressions are very large, it's very difficult to simplify by using the Boolean algebras. In this case, if we are applying the K-map methods, we can reduce the number of literals easily. So the number of gate requirements will be reduced. So the circuit complexity also reduced. That's why K-map and tabulation methods are used to simplify the expressions. Karnath map is a graphical technique which provides a systematic method for simplifying Boolean expressions. In this technique, the information contained in truth table is represented in a map. It's called K-map. Advantages of K-map. It's an alternate approach to represent Boolean functions. And also the K-map representation can be used to minimize the Boolean functions and easy to conversion from truth table to K-map to reduce the expressions. And we are using symbol rules to perform the minimizations, and it's faster and efficient compared to the Boolean algebra techniques. Karnath map is an array of cells in which each cell represents a binary value of input variables. The number of cells in a K-map is equal to the number of possible input combinations in the truth table. That is, K-map is a modified form of truth table. Then the grouping in the Karnack map is in the form of power of 2, that is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. That is, we have to group the Karnack map cells in this order only. That is, we can group 1 cells or 2 cells or 4 cells or 8 cells or 16 cells. So for three variables, the number of cells in the Karnack map is 8. For four variables, the number of cells in the Karnack map is 16. And the numbering scheme used in the K map is gray code scale. That is, only a single bit changes from one cell to other cell. Now let's see the Karnack map with the different variables. First see about the two variable map. This is the two variable map representation, and this is the three variable representation, and this is four variable representations. And the two variable representation 2 power 2 equal to 4. So 4 cells are there. And 3 variable map 2 power 3 is equal to 8. So 8 cells are there, 0 to 7. And 4 variable map 4, the 2 power 4 16. So 16 cells are there in a 4 variable map. Now this is one cell. This each cell represents one minterm or max term. Properties of K-map. For K-map groupings, we have to cover as much one as possible to simplify the expressions. For grouping two cells in a three variable K-map, we can eliminate one variables. Suppose if you are grouping four cells in a K-map, then two variables are eliminated. Now the four grouping is called as quartet. Now if you are grouping 8 one cells in a K-map, we are calling as octet. Now if you are grouping 8 cells, we can reduce 3 variables in a K-map. Now let's see the two variable map. The two variable means 2 power 2 is equal to 4. So the total 4 combinations are there. In the truth table, the 4 combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now we are going to write these 4 combinations in the K-map cells. So 4 cells we have drawn, and this the variable A is written here and B is written here. So in the row side 0, 1, the equivalent variables are A bar A, and the column side the variable is B bar B, that is equal to 0, 1. Now the first cell is 0, 0, that means 0 into 0, 0, 0. Now 0, 1 represented in the second cell. Now in the third cell 1, 1, 0. In the fourth cell 1, 1, 1, it's represented as here. Now so 0, 0 equivalent variable is A bar B bar. It's equal to 0. Now here A bar B equivalent is 1. Now here A B bar 2. Here A B it's 1 1. So this is the way to represent two variables. Now let's see how to represent the truth tables in the K-map. Here the first example is f is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0 combinations. So 0, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 1. I am writing the equivalent 1, 0, 1 here and 1, 0 here. I am writing 1, 1 here, this place. Same way in this example, the f is represented as 1 in the equivalent Karnaugh maps. This is the way to represent ones in the K-map cells. Now let's see the 3 variable map. The 3 variables are A, B, C. So 2 power 3 is equal to 8. We can make 8 combinations, that is 0 to 7 we can make. Generally, 2 ways we can represent the 3 variable Karnaugh map. This is the first way. Here we are written the variables A, B here in the row side and column side single variable. So the A, B we can write it in 4 combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1 and 1, 0. This 1, 1 and 1, 0 combinations, that means it follows the gray code combination to get adjacency in each cell. So now here the first cell is 0, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 4, 5. So first cell is written as 0, 0, 0. The equivalent variable is A bar, B bar, C bar. Now the second cell is 0, 0, 1. The the cell 2 is 0, 1, 0 and the third cell is 0, 1, 1. Now the fourth cell is here 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Fifth cell is 1, 0, 1. Now the sixth cell is 1, 1, 0 and the seventh cell is 1, 1. The equivalent min terms are represented in each cells. Now if you are seeing that the difference between the cell 2 and cell C is single variable, that is 0, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 0. Only single bit change from one cell to other cell. So we are following the gray code sequence to the K-map to get single bit change from one cell to other cell. This is the second way to represent the 3 variable K-map. Here in the row side single variable A is represented and the column side 2 variables are represented. So the A is written as 0, 1 and column side BC it's represented for 4 combinations. Now the first 0 column is 0, 0, 0, 0. So the column is 0. Now 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So the equivalent variable, that is min terms are written. So the columns, the cells are represented as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6. So if you are checking that cell 3 and 7, only single bit change, that is to get the cell adjacency. We are following the gray code sequence. That's why it's not coming 1, 2, 3 sequence. It's coming as 1, 3, 2 sequence. Similarly here 5, 7, 6 to get cell adjacency from each cells. This is the 4 variable K-map. 2 power 4 is equal to 16. So 16 cells are there in the 4 variable K-map. Here the representations, the variables, 2 variables are represented in row and column. Here AB and here CD. The equivalent variables and min terms are represented in each cells. For example, cell 0, 0, 0, 0. The equivalent min terms. And next cell 0, 0, 1. Then third cell is 0, 0, 1, 1. And the fourth cell is 0, 0, 1, 0. Now here also it's not in normal order. It follows the gray code counting sequence. So to get the adjacency. Now let's see the single bit change from 1 to 5. 1 and 5 varied from single bit change. Similarly 5 and 30 vary from single bit change. Similarly 13 and 9 also varied from single bit change. Same way 9 and 8 changing from single bit change. 9 and 11 from single bit change, 9 and 1 from single bit change, 9 and 13 also single bit change. So to get single bit change from each cell, we are following the sequence. 5 variable K-map. In this 5 variable K-map, 2 power 5 is equal to 32. So 0 to 32 K-map cells are present. So here 2 4 variable K-map is used. The first K-map, the cells are 0 to 15, and the second K-map, the cells are represented as 16 to 31. The variables are A, B, C, D, E. For example, the variable A is a single variable and B, C, D is used to represent as min terms. So, for example, A is equal to 0 in the first K-map, 0 to 15 cells. For the second K-map, 16 to 31 cells, A is equal to 1. So, here the proof is equal to the fifth variable is 0 for 0 to 15 and 16 to 31, the fifth variable is 1. The equivalent min terms and decimals are represented in each cells. For first variable, first K-map, the equivalent min terms and binaries, decimals are given in each cell. So 0 to 15 is represented for first K-map and 16 to 31 is represented for second K-map. The 6 variable K-map. 2 power 6 is equal to 64. So 0 to 63 cells are used here. For 6 variable K-map, to implement that we are using 4 variable K-map. The first K-map is represented for 0 to 15 variables. The second K-map is 16 to 31. The third K-map is 32 to 47. The fourth K-map is 48 to 63 cells. So, the first K-map 0 to 15, the equivalent binary representation is given. Here the variables are represented as A, B here, common variable for the cells, and here C, D, E, F. The common variable for all cells are taken, the variable is AB. This is 0, 0 for the first cell, 0, 1 for the second cell, 1, 0 for the third cells, and 1, 1 for the fourth cell. Now we will see the proof for that. AB is equal to 0, 0. For this cell, 0 to 15 is represented. For this case, the AB is equal to 0, 0. Now the second cell 16 to 31. For that case AB is equal to 0, 1. The proof is 0, 1 for 16 to 31 cases. Now 32 to 47 AB is equal to 1, 0. So here 1, 0 is given here for 32 to 47 representation. Now 1, 1 for 48 to 63. Here the proof is 1 on 4, the 48 to 63 cells. The equal and min terms, binary representation and decimal is here for each cells. Thank you.